Hey, baby.
It's funny that Patrick's hand is pushing off Thomas.
What have you been doing, boo-boo?
Freak toys.
What? Freak toys?
Three toy. Run that or something. Take
What?
that.
What have you been doing?
Straighten out.
What, baby, what have you been doing?
Straightening up.
I don't think you've been straightening up. Baby, what have you been doing?
Sleeping.
Can you wake up now? Because I'd like to get in bed.
Yes, of course.
Okay, do you want to get those kids out of my bed? How'd that happen?
Hey, stop.
How did it happen?
What happened?
Why are they all in the bed? You don't know?
Me and John Patrick, obviously, and then Thomas climbed in.
What were y'all doing?
We were watching Ninjago, and then I told him
Oh, Ninjago.
if he had turned this off, that he's got to give it all back. So he turned it off and jumped on me.
Who did?
John Patrick.
Why is Thomas in the bed?
Thomas got scared earlier. Thunder.
Oh.
I wanted to watch Ninjago.
Oh, okay. All right.
How'd y'all get home?
We just got home. Thomas. Come on, we gotta get in bed, boo-boo.
How?
No. Thomas.
Yeah.
We gotta get in your bed, boo-boo. Come on. Hey. Come on, TT. Everybody's... I love you, baby. I love you. Okay, this is a cute video. Say hi. Say hi.